Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, March 19th, and I wanted to give everyone an update on where we are as a college. I have tried to continually give updates when appropriate by letter, and I think this is just another medium that some people might prefer. As you know, many colleges around the country have shut down their operations for the rest of the school year. This usually means laying off staff and furloughs and no ability for students to finish their work for that year. As a college, we decided that this was not the way to go, so we decided to stay open, but to reduce our operations in a way that did not put anybody in jeopardy. So as you know, we extended our spring break. Classes will resume on Monday. We have, in that process, in that time, put everybody teaching into a situation where they could put their classes online. They've done a wonderful job, I have to say. The faculty really stepped up. A lot of them already were online, but those that weren't really did a great job in adjusting the curriculum and getting things ready for students on Monday. I do want to say our IT staff and our CIO, Melaine, really have done a great job in finding the appropriate equipment and helping faculty to get ready for the students. So I want to applaud their work as well. You've heard a number of rumors around and in the media about things. Let me try to address some of those. We have had no incident of an infected person on campus. We have, out of an abundance of caution, quarantined a few faculty, staff, and students who are traveling back to Daemen from areas that were thought to be kind of hot spots. But as of now, no one has tested positive whatsoever, and there are no symptoms that we know of from any of those people. So we continue to be very optimistic about that. We're working very closely with many officials, with the town of Amherst and their emergency response people, with state officials, including the county health, and as well as the county health officials. And we've also been in touch with our federal legislators and a number of higher education experts around the country. So we're staying in touch, we're coordinating on all those levels. And we're optimistic that we'll be able to get through this year with really first-rate instruction, as we always do at Daemen College, and protect our students, faculty, and staff, as we always try to do as well. There are approximately 270 or so students still residing on campus. We're taking care of them. Dining services, of course, is operating, but as you know, we can't have students sitting around as if in a restaurant, so they have, just like the rest of us, take-home kinds of meals and so on. We also have all essential staff working. Sometimes it's in person, sometimes it's remotely. Our Cabinet Executive Committee meets on a daily basis every morning. Our emergency response team meets, I think, also on a daily basis. But whenever possible, any and all meetings are done remotely or some kind of hybrid of remote and in person. There are no large gatherings on campus at all. In fact, for that matter, there really are no mid-size or small meetings, really. When possible, we ask people, even if they're advising single students, do it remotely. And that way, we keep the social distancing and keep people as safe as possible. This is really unprecedented for much of our society and certainly for Daemen College. But I'm very proud of all of our staff, especially our senior leadership, that has really gone above and beyond to make this as simple and safe as possible. We'll continue to do that. We'll continue to keep everybody's safety in mind. If there are any questions, simply let us know. We'll try to get you the answers. I'll continue as much as possible to get word to you, either through letters or perhaps in videos of this sort. and stay healthy, stay strong. We're Daemen. We're going to get through this, and I look forward to seeing you in person when all of this is over.